Hi, I'm Katie, your Korean teacher. In this video, we're going to practice writing 8 vowels that we've learned in the Hangul Lesson 1 video. You can download this writing worksheet in the video description. Please print it out so that we can practice together. But if you don't have a printer, just grab a piece of paper. It's totally fine. When you write Hangul, just remember this. The basic stroke order is left to right and top to bottom. Left, right, top, bottom. Okay, then let's practice together. A, 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 o, o, u, 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 이, 에, 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 에. As I mentioned in the Hangul Lesson 1 video, Hangul letters are combined into syllable blocks. Take a look at this notebook. I bought it for my son, and this is a common notebook for the lower graders who have just started writing Hangul. You can see the square grid, right? These are syllable blocks, and each block always has exactly one syllable, and it has one initial consonant followed by one vowel. If a syllable does not have an initial consonant and starts with a vowel, the syllable block must have this one and the initial consonant position. As you can see, these letters. It is silent and it just acts as a placeholder for a zero consonant. You might also notice that some vowels are written on the right of the consonant and some are below the consonant. If the vowel letters has a long vertical stroke, it is written to the right of the initial consonant letter. If the vowel has a long horizontal stroke, it is written below. Let's move on to the next page. Here we can practice writing Hangul in different fonts, which is important because sometimes those who are not familiar with Hangul mistake letters written in different fonts for completely different letters. So it is a good practice. You can also create your own handwriting style. Personally, I like a cute one. And this is my actual handwriting. When I write super fast for a note-taking, I usually connect the letters like in cursive. But there are no rules for it. It's more like a personal style of connecting letters together. I just want to tell you that Western cursive is considered fancy, but Korean is considered well written when it is neat and clear. Now it's our last part. Let's write some words together. I, 오이, 오, 이. We are done. Great job, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this writing time with me and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.